Great afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in PV. Today, we're here inside of a townhome located in the romantic zone. This is by residences by Pinnacle. The townhome measures 146 square meters, which is roughly just a little over 1,500 square feet. It includes 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the asking price is $795,000 USD. Let me tell you, this is something that you're gonna really enjoy, and we're gonna get into the details ASAP, but just give you an idea, we're about 2 blocks away from the ocean, Los Muertos Beach. This is an amazing part of the romantic zone. This neighborhood is real tranquil. At the same time, you have all the things that you really enjoy about this neighborhood. There's small cafes, there's a coffee shop just down the street, and it is something that you will thoroughly enjoy. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, we're just outside Unit T3, Residences by Pinnacle. As we enter, there is the full bath to the left, complete with everything you need. And straight directly in is the living room area, as well as the kitchen. You got stainless steel appliances. You got this beautiful marble island with wood cabinetry. Built-in microwave, gas oven, and stove, as well as a dishwasher. Now, this unit is used primarily as a rental, maintained and managed by Pinnacle. So if you want more details as to the rental history, be happy to provide that. Just comment on the video or send me a DM. As we pass the living room, you have a very large terrace. So you can take advantage of this space, indoor, outdoor, living at its best. Plenty of room to entertain. Now, as we're outside, you notice this street is Pino Juarez. It's a street that ends just at the top here. Not a lot of drive-through traffic at all, so you can essentially enjoy the space without having to worry about being bothered by cars and other people passing by. There is a barbecue that's also here, but take a look at the finishes. There is a wooden beam theme throughout this whole property, even extended out to the terrace. And I'll just pop in real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. The ceiling also has these wood beam themes, which makes the space unique. You don't typically see that too often. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. And this is a 2-level loft style townhome. So this bedroom is on the ground floor. As you can see, this is well taken care of. This is professionally decorated. This is a king-size bed. Let me give you the view from this other angle. Essentially, you have all the amenities and the feel like if you're in a high-end resort, but also you have the feel of being in a home. Just over here, tucked away neatly, is the washer and dryer set up. And take a small and quick trip upstairs to where the primary is located. Notice the glass railings. Over here is a small little work nook that you can take advantage of. And then from here, look at this view of the living room and the kitchen. Set up perfectly for entertaining. Now this is where the primary is, which is a complete open concept design. No doors. Allows for natural light to come in. Also a king size bed with 2 built-in nightstands or floating nightstands. Now, you might be wondering, without any doors or anything like that, how's it to sleep at night? Well, take a look. They have these curtains that once closed, it gives you that privacy. Just give me a second. Yeah, so it completely separates you from the rest of the space, and it acts as a complete room, like if you were to have a wall without having to have that installed. All right, I'll open this up again. Just over here is the walk-in closet, equipped with a safe, which is great for you for the rental intentions, where you can lock up your valuables, your passport, keys, and so forth. And to the right side is where you have your walk-in bathroom. And just over here, your shower and toilet. All right. Now, another key feature with this space is that you do have a terrace as well. That you can take advantage of throughout the day as you wish. Again, a nice little peaceful space that you can have your coffee or have a light snack. You can't exactly enjoy the sunset, but you know, after the sun goes down and we have those cotton candy colored skies, you can enjoy that from here. Now that we've seen this unit on the inside, let's take a look at some of the amenities. So let's head to the rooftop. All right, we're at the rooftop. Let's exit the elevator. This is a pretty expansive rooftop, and I like how it's decorated. You have like a palapa style roofing just over here. Bathrooms to the right of me. You got a common area, a bar as well. This is just perfect. To the right, you have views to the ocean and the South Shore. The great seating area that dually has shaded and you have sun. And I love how it is landscaped and how they incorporate the plants throughout the rooftop. Just over to my left, I'm gonna walk over here. You can see Las Arcos. Now, for those who don't know, Las Arcos are 3 very large granite formed rocks in the ocean. It's a national water park. It's great for snorkeling. You take boat trips out there. There is a lot to see and take advantage of. This is an absolutely gorgeous day, and I wish you were here to see it, but you can. All right, let's take a look. Great mountain views. Like, you have a 360 view, essentially, of the mountains as well as the ocean. Over here is another seating area, which is great. You can be on the rooftop and not essentially have to be around everybody. There's different sections that you can use that are at your disposal. This is an infinity pool. Another cabana over here. Over here you have views to the North Shore, the city center. I can see the cathedral, the Lady of Guadalupe. Definitely a place to take advantage of while you're here. Over here to the left is the bar. Get your margaritas, tequila shots, whatever you fancy. Heading over this small bridge. Take a look at what's down here. Another seating area, an area where you can sunbathe and take advantage of these incredible ocean views. Same thing on this side. So you take advantage of the ocean views to the south, where there's Las Arcos. And then over here, take advantage of the north views. And on a clear day, can't see it right now, but just over to the tip here is Punta de Mita. And you also have Marietta's Island. It's a great tourist spot. Check it out. There's an undercover beach. Something you have to experience. As we enter where the gym is located, it's on the first floor. Walking in, it's a good sized gym and it has everything that you would need. You got your universal machines, you got a leg press, treadmill, elliptical, and you even have an area where you can do squats, free weights, equipped with Wi-Fi so you can stay connected, listening to whatever you choose to. And you have an area where you can use the inflatable balls, do some Pilates, yoga. So everything you need, you can stay on track. No excuses while you're on vacation. You can take advantage of this space as well. Now that concludes our tour today here at TH3 Residences by Pinnacle. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome loft style, measuring 146 square meters, which is roughly just over 1,500 square feet. The asking price is $795,000 USD. And let me tell you, if you're an investor or someone who wants a vacation home or a combination of the two, if you're retired, this is a great option. If you really enjoy living in the romantic zone, this is in an area that you're literally a couple of blocks from the beach. You have the full essence of this neighborhood at your full disposal. It's walking distance. Everything that you need and more is here. So if you want to see this in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And
Until my next video, thank you for watching Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you next time.